हेलो चिल्ड्रन, आज के क्लास में हम लोग फिर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल के ऊपर कुछ क्वेश्चंस करेंगे और इसके बाद हम लोग करेंगे एप्लीकेशन ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री, जिसमें कि हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस के क्वेश्चंस होंगे। तो लेट अस स्टार्ट फ्रॉम फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। इफ ए एंड बी आर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स देन प्रूव दैट cosec a into cos b plus sec a into sin b is equal to 2. Already it is given कि a and b are complementary angles. It means start from question number 1. A and B are complementary. It means कि A plus B is equal to 90 degree. So angle A plus B is equal to 90 degree. From this expression we can write or angle A is equal to 90 degree minus angle B, or angle B is equal to 90 degree minus angle A. Now first question is we have to prove cosec A into cos B. Cosec A into cos B plus sec A into sin B. So this is our LHS. We have to prove this is equal to 2. So we can substitute the value of A or value of B. The value of angle A is 90 degree minus angle B and the value of angle B is 90 degree minus angle A. So I am substituting value of A is equal to 90 degree minus angle B. So cosec 90 degree minus angle B, and this cos B will remain as it is, and again here sec A, sec 90 degree minus angle B, and this is sin B will remain as it is. Now cosec 90 minus B is equal to sec B. So this is sec B into cos B will remain as it is. Sec 90 minus B cosec B into sin B will remain as it is. Now sec B is 1 by cos B. So this will be 1 by cos B into cos B will remain as it is, plus cosec B is 1 by sin B into sin B will remain as it is. So cos B is cancelled by cos B and sin B with sin B. So here it is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, which is RHS. So question number 1 is over. Next question. Question number 2 is 1 minus sin square A, 1 minus sin square A. So for A I am putting 90 degree minus angle B, and this will remain as it is, minus sin square B. So this is our LHS. Now 1 minus sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So this will be cos square B. Sin square 90 minus theta is cos square B, minus sin square B will remain as it is. Now here it can be written as 1 minus within bracket cos square B plus sin square B, and this is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So 1 minus 1 0, which is RHS. Note it down. Now question number 2. Question number 2. if A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, it means कि angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Sum of the angle of a triangle is 180, already you know it. But we have to find out the value of B plus C by 2. So by 2 it means कि dividing, we have to divide it both sides by 2. Dividing both sides by 2, as we have to find out the value of B plus C by 2. It means A plus B plus C by 2 is equal to 180 degree by 2, and this means A by 2 plus B plus C by 2. This whole part can be written like this, is equal to, this is 90 degree. So B plus C by 2 can be written as 90 degree, and this part will be shifted this side. So 90 degree minus A by 2. Note down. So number 1 is sine B plus C by 2 is equal to 90 degree minus A by 2 . So this is our LHS. So sine 90 minus theta cos theta. This is our RHS. First question is done. And second question is sine square B plus C by 2 plus sine square A by 2. So this is our LHS, and already we have got the value A plus B by plus C by 2 is equal to 90 degree. So A by 2 plus B plus C by 2 is equal to 90 degree, and B plus C by 2 is equal to 90 degree minus A by 2. This value we will put here. So sine square 90 minus A by 2, and this part will remain as it is. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So this will be cos square A by 2 plus sine square A by 2, and sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this is cos square theta plus sine square theta. This is equal to 1. So which is our RHS. Note down. अब हम लोग क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 करेंगे. एक्सप्रेस cos 75 डिग्री प्लस cot 75 डिग्री इन टर्म्स ऑफ trigonometric ratios of angle between 0 degree and 45 degree. It means the value of these two angles should be between 0 degree and 45 degree. So question number 3, cos 75. Cos 75 degree can be written as cos 90 degree minus 15 degree. 90 minus 15, 75, plus cot 90 degree minus 15 degree. Now cos 90 minus theta, sin theta, so sin 15 degree, plus cot 90 minus theta is tan theta, so tan 50 degree. So this is the answer. Now the angles are between 0 and 45. So this is the question. Now question number 4. Write the value of cos 1 degree, cos 2 degree, cos 3 degree. It is not completed. It is in between cos 4 degree, cos 5 degree up to cos 180 degree. So it can be written as cos 1 degree into cos 2 degree into cos 3 degree into cos 4 degree, and in between it will be cos 90 degree and into cos 179 degree, cos 180 degree, and cos 90 degree is equal to 0. So cos 1 degree, cos 2 degree, cos 3 degree, cos 4 degree into 0, which will make the whole expression is equal to 0. So now question number 5. Write the acute angle theta satisfying root 3 sin theta is equal to cos theta. This time we have to find out the angle, value of angle theta. So from this expression, it can be written as sin theta by cos theta, and this will go this side. So this will be 1 by root 3, and this is tan theta. And this is tan 30 degree. 1 by root 3 is equal to tan 30 degree. It means theta is equal to 30 degree. Children, in next class we will start from height and distance. और अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें, and don't forget to comment also. Thank you.